Hi, and welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on a dance called One Love. This was choreographed by Josh Talbot. It's a 32 count full wall improver level line dance, and it has one restart. This dance was actually choreographed for a really good friend of mine, Glenda, who spoke to Josh and asked if he could make a dance to this particular song. The song is called You're Still the One by Shania Twain, and this is the Frank Walker remix version. So let's get into the tutorial. So facing your front wall, your weight is going to be on your left foot. You're going to start your first 8 counts by cross rock with your right. You're going to shuffle to your right side, step across with your left, turn a quarter turn, turning back to your left corner, and then coaster step with your right. So how that looks is going cross, rock, and then shuffle to the right. We go across, stepping back, turning a quarter turn, and a coaster step with that left. Coaster step. Let's go back and repeat those 8 counts. So weight on left, we go cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster step. Adding on our next 8 counts, from here you're going to step forward on the right, sweep the left around, you're going to step that left across, the right to the side, the left behind, sweep the right around and back, step behind, and then to the side. That is your next series of 8 counts. Let's add those 2 sections together. Weight is on your left. We go cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster step, step and sweep, across, side, behind, sweep, behind, side. So here is your next section of 8. Your weight should be on your left and slightly to the side. From here, you're going to step to the right and hold. We actually call this a push. So we're going to go right, hold, and as you do, sort of drag that left towards that right. You're going to rock back onto that left and replace the weight onto the right. You're then going to take a vine to the left and finish that vine with a step across. So you're going to go side, behind, side, step across. Let's add those section of 8 together. Facing your front, weight on left, 7, and we go cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster step, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, step, right, hold, rock, replace, left, vine with a step across. From here, the next section of 8 finishes our dance, and we'll be finishing to where our back is right now. So that is our 3 o'clock wall. We're going to take a left side rock, and as we side rock, we're going to turn a quarter turn to our right. So we're going to rock out to the left, and as we replace onto the right, turn that quarter turn to your right to face your 12 o'clock wall. We're then going to step forward on that left and hold for 1 count. Now the next 4 counts is a turning walk over 4 counts. You're going to end up facing your 3 o'clock wall. It is a 1 3/4 turn. Now you can simplify this by bringing it back to just a 3/4 turn at the end. However, the dance is choreographed with a 1 3/4 turn. So it will be a right half, left half, left quarter. That ends up facing you at your new wall, where you'll then do your cross rock and side shuffle. Let's put all those sections together and go from the beginning. So starting the dance again, weight is on that left, cross rock. So we go cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster, step, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, step, right, hold, rock, replace, vine left, behind, side, step across, left side, rock, quarter turn, step left forward, turn, half, 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 quarter. You should now be ready to start your next wall with your weight on your left, moving across with that right into the cross rock. So at the end of that turn, you are catching your weight by doing that rock across. If you do wish to take out that turn, you can do so. There are 2 options that you can do. So you've done your step left forward. You can either walk right, left, half, quarter, and then you start your dance with your rock replace. Or if you're not able to turn or don't like to turn, you can also remove the turn completely. You've done your step forward and hold. You're now ready to take those 4 walks. You just simply go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're now facing your new quarter wall. Let's walk through all 4 walls now from start to finish. We'll go around all 4 walls, and then I'm going to take you back to where the restart will occur, which will be facing your 9 o'clock wall, restarting you to your rear wall being your 6 o'clock wall. So again, we are going to walk through all 4 walls with no stopping and no restarts. Weight is on our left, 7, and we go cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster, step, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, step, right, hold, rock, replace, vine to the left and step across, left, quarter, rock, step, left, hold, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster, step, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, step, right, hold, rock, replace, left, vine with step across, quarter, rock, step, left, hold and turn to your back wall, cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster, step, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, step, right, hold, rock, replace, vine left, step across, left quarter, rock, step forward, hold, turn to your 9 o'clock wall, cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster, step, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, right, hold, rock, replace, vine left with step across, left quarter, rock, step forward, hold, now turn to face the front wall, cross, rock, shuffle to the right. That's taking you through all 4 walls. Now the restart will occur on wall 8 and will restart you to your rear wall. So you will be facing your 9 o'clock wall when you start the dance. It will be after 16 counts. So, which is before the right hold. So I right to the side hold or the push. So we start with our weight on the left, cross rock. We go cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster, step, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, and then you restart cross rock. Let's just do that once more to our 9 o'clock wall. So again, you will be facing 9 o'clock when you start this wall, and you'll restart to your rear wall. Weights on left, 7 and we go cross, rock, shuffle to the right, cross, quarter, coaster, step, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, restart, cross, rock, shuffle to the right. Excellent. Now that you've done the tutorial, you can move on over to the demo video or head across to the demo with call video so that you can practice this dance at home at your leisure. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.